The Oppo R19 comes with great features that can make the users buy it without a second thought. The look of the device is an added advantage, with the immersive large display that will let the user feel the depth of the videos watch and the games they play. Let's take a look. The Oppo R19 comes with a fabulous display which is completely bezel-less, provided with the front camera sensor popping up on top of the screen. The display is 6.4 inches tall with IPS LCD type, having a resolution of 1080p and a density of 403 ppi that will provide an impressive cinematic view. It is protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass, which will keep away minor scratches. The smartphone is powered by the dual-core Cryo 360 processor, having a clock speed of 2.2 GHz and a quad-core Cryo 360 processor having a clock speed of 1.7 GHz, which is provided upon the Qualcomm Snapdragon 710 chipset, which can provide a great performance together. It has the Adreno 616 GPU that can handle the graphics, while the 6GB RAM will provide a lag-free gaming experience. The device comes with great cameras, having 16 megapixel plus 5 megapixel sensors that can capture a crisp and details pictures of the users which they would love to show. It can also click extremely good quality selfies with the help of the high selfie sensor of 25 megapixel, which will make users fall in love with clicking more and more pictures. It has the Li-ion battery with an ample capacity of 3,500 mAh, which can provide a long battery backup to through the day. The Oppo R19 comes with an inbuilt space of 64 GB, which is huge to keep the media files and other data of the users. It also has the external memory slot that is expandable up to a massive 256 GB via a micro SD card. For the connectivity, the device comes dual 4G connections. Other features include Wi-Fi 802.11, mobile hotspot, Bluetooth, GPS with a GPS, GLONASS, micros of 2.0 and more.